Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video. And your daily update on Bitcoin. After yesterday turned very bullish, we already talked about, like in the video yesterday, we talked about the possibility of Bitcoin breaking above 35,750, that yellow area. And if it did break above that it could potentially already dive back into a consolidation in this range. However, I mean, I did not expect this much bullish momentum. I mean, in the evening yesterday, we got this big push. It was really a big push right here, around 7 o'clock in my time zone, which really caused most of this bullish momentum. Because before that, it was still respecting what we talked about. But all right, I'm not sure what caused that move. I'm just going to be completely honest with you. I just am not sure. The volume right now is pretty impressive. The volume with that move went up about, a billion or two in the 2 hours after that move. So what probably happened is that some sort of an institution, some sort of a fund invested a lot of money in Bitcoin all at once. So I wouldn't be surprised if we hear that Michael Saylor has bought some more Bitcoin in 2 or 3 days. This could be that, all right. But in general, I mean, obviously there's a lot of news around the ETF. Right now there's some ETFs were delayed. That caused some bullish momentum. I mean, see, we can theorize and talk about why that might be the case. I mean, something I thought about is that when it's delayed, look, what we expect is that the acceptance of the approval of the ETFs is already priced in. That's at least what I expect. All right, I expect the ETFs to be accepted, and I think the market does too. So what will probably happen when the ETFs are accepted is that the price will fall down, will pull back. So it's actually bullish if they're delayed, because that means we won't get that sell the news effect yet. But all right, it doesn't matter that much. In general, right now, if you take a look at the markets, I think the markets are pretty fragile right now, including, like, Bitcoin might be the most infragile, or it might be the most stable crypto right now. We saw, like, momentum has gotten back into the markets in the last day as well. Here you can see just a huge position was open as well. So most of you know that I've always said that I still expect 40,000, or at least I've said that after this bullish momentum right here. I still do. I still expect 40,000. But for now, I think it's a bit more likely, also after now that Bitcoin has dropped down below 37,500 again. I think some bearish momentum and some stability is more likely in the short term. Stability could be, like, at this moment, I'd say the most likely scenario in terms of stability is kind of this area. So I do expect Bitcoin to at some point of time break back above 37,600 and move up to 39,200 and 40,000. That's my price target. I do expect that, but I don't expect that today or tomorrow. I mean, today we have some economic news in the initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims. If those are both higher than expected, so the dollar strength index falls down even lower, there's a chance of doing this today or tomorrow. But in general, I think it takes a little bit longer. I think it takes a little bit more consolidation up here, and then eventually we'll get that bullish breakout. But that does mean that on the short term, I actually do expect somewhat of a pullback, a healthy pullback from here. But overall, very bullish. All right, so those are my thoughts on Bitcoin for now. If you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. If you're interested in my signals or in my premium group, I have both. You can check that out via the links down in the description. But that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and bye.